Yo guys, what's up? This is a new daily Call of Duty Black Ops 2 video, and this is a shotgun montage, so like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy.
Confirmed. He's gone. Care package on standby. Gun down. Friendly care package inbound. Lightning strike awaiting coordinates. Guardian ready for deployment. Shot out. Warthog awaiting orders. One down.
Reaper 1-1 is wheeled up over your position. Scanning to press.
On me.
Good impacts on target. BDA to follow. 1 EKIA.
Lightning strike coordinates received. Inbound.
Good impacts, 1 kill. Reaper 1.
Care package awaiting orders.
Rally target hits. 2 confirmed. Reaper 1-1 is finished.
Friendly care package inbound. One down. Popping up. Stand by.
Good effects. Target destroyed. 3 confirmed.
Guardian ready to deploy.
Rally target. Good strike. Good effects. 1 kill.
Care package awaiting orders.
Thanks for the work.
Lightning strike on standby. One down. EKIA. Warthog awaiting orders. Enemy down. That's a kill. He's gone. Going explosive. Get him, SD. Care package on standby. Gotcha. Lightning strike awaiting coordinates. Friendly Warthog inbound.
Reaper 1-1 in for the south. 8 seconds.
Friendly care package inbound.
Good hits.
Enemy down.
2 EKIA.
Stitched him up.
Target affirmed. Thanks well.
War machine ready for deployment. Friendly war machine deployed.
Target destroyed.
Topping up. Stand by.
2 EKIA. Target affirmed. Weapons away. Our sensors capture your target.
War machine ready for deployment.
Good hits.
Friendly lightning strike inbound.
1-1 is wheeled up over your position. Scanning for threats. Close deployment until all 16 seconds. Good strike. Negative effects. Bingo fuel. Reaper 1-1 exiting south.
Going hot. On me. Objective parameters obtained.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Subscribe for more daily Call of Duty Black Ops 2, and see you guys later.